quiet from a filament and eruptive standpoint. Small dark coronal hole incoming on the south there as well, but the story is of course the sunspots, which are developing behind the large leading umbra, and they are producing a slight rise on the X-ray flux, so we'll be monitoring them as they turn in to face the Earth. Solar wind is mostly calm, and that's despite our being within a coronal hole stream. Its plasma pressure is minimally enhanced, and the variability and extended persistence in the stream is light enough for geomagnetic conditions to remain mostly quiet. Let's start off the articles by meeting the crazy beast. Lived during the time of dinosaurs? No problem. Madagascar mud? No problem for its crocodile-like hind legs. Small carnivore dinosaurs? No problem when you have the speed and quickness of modern mammals given the front legs. Front teeth like a rabbit, back teeth unlike any known mammal, and a snout gap unseen in any other creature in paleontology. One of the weirdest finds ever. A bit more on the practical side of things, we've got an excellent expose on the current La Nina event ongoing in the Pacific. It is impressively deep, and it may last into the spring. Slight sidestep here to the Iceberg A68. Pretty impressive centimeter by centimeter loss tracking with the breakouts included. This is the one heading for the islands in the South Atlantic. But long ago, a tsunami was heading at the coast of Israel. A new study details an earthquake and tsunami event that may extend the human occupation of the region. The appearance of human artifacts only after this event, now identified just under 10,000 years ago, now likely means the previous coastal population was simply wiped from the face of the earth, only to be immediately resettled afterwards. The history that came before the tsunami, still missing. Let's go to the Astronomers Telegram for a couple bits of nova news. First, that new one we covered a couple weeks ago has been confirmed to be producing dust. It is always interesting to see the various time frames that elapse before the brightness gives way to infrared re-emission by that dust. But their bigger story today is the discovery of a new recurrent nova, the X-ray burst variety from pulsars. It is indeed far more common to hear the name X-ray burst rather than X-ray nova, but that's the better term. Like all important activities in space, dumping in material causes a reaction. In the case of a pulsar, the initial condition fires up the lighthouse, but during its lifetime, it has tons of micronova events. While the X-rays would destroy the Earth's atmosphere if it happened on the Sun, the actual ejection nova shell wouldn't even make it to Mercury. Now folks, we greatly